Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I wanna show you how to fix foot massager wherein motor is not working. I'm going to plug in and then switch on to see what happened.
These AI companions can engage in deep, meaningful conversations, offering support and companionship to users.
This foot massager is not vibrating. Let's check it. This happened was broken, so another one. It's the same. The DC motor's wire has already broken. Let's fix it. Let's reconnect the DC motor now. Try to switch on. Yes, it's working. Let's return the cover now. I hope you learned from this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.